We'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve Fairlight to enhance your audio editing skills. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and navigate to the Fairlight page by clicking on the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the interface. This area is specifically designed for audio post-production, giving you a full range of professional tools. Once you're in Fairlight, you can start by importing your audio files. Click on the media pool in the top left corner and drag your audio tracks into the timeline. To adjust the volume levels, look for the mixer panel on the right side of the screen. You can move the faders up or down to adjust individual track volumes. Next, if you need to apply effects, click on the EFX Library tab and explore the wide range of audio effects. Drag and drop any effect onto your audio track to apply it. For precise edits, use the timeline to zoom in on specific sections. You can do this by scrolling with your mouse or using the zoom controls. If you want to cut or trim audio clips, use the blade tool, which is found in the toolbar at the top. Simply click on the blade icon and then click where you want to make the cut on the timeline. After making adjustments, you can listen to your edits by hitting the spacebar to play back the timeline. Finally, once you're satisfied with your edits, go to the Deliver page to export your project. Choose your desired format and settings, then click on the ADD2 Render Queue button followed by Start Render. This will process your project and save it to your chosen location. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.